हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तीसरी कक्षा में आपका स्वागत है।
In the empty boxes, write the number in words. Here we have crayons, and the next columns are hundreds, tens, units. Now we've got to write the number in figures and in words. Let us see the first picture. Here we have a box of 100 crayons and one more crayon, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 1 unit. In figures it would be 101 and in words 101. The next picture has a box of 100 crayons and 2 more crayons, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 2 units. In figures it would be 102 and in words 102. Now the next picture has 100 crayons and 3 more crayons, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 3 units. In figure it is 103, in words it is 103. Now the next picture. The next picture has a box of 100 crayons and 4 more crayons. Well, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 4 units. In figures it would be 104 and in words it would be 104. Now the next picture. A box of 100 crayons and 5 more crayons, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 5 units. In figure it would be 105 and in words it is 105. Next is a box of 100 crayons and 6 more crayons. So it would be 100, 0 tens, 6 units. In figures it would be 106. In words it is 106. Now we have a box of 100 crayons and 7 more crayons. So it means it is 100, 0 tens, 7 units. In figures it would be 107 and in words 107. Let us see the next picture. A box of 100 crayons and 8 more crayons. Well, that means it is 100, 0 tens, 8 units. In figure it is 108. In words it is 108. Now the next picture, it has a box of 100 crayons and 9 more crayons. So it is 100, 0 tens, 9 units. In figures it is 109 and in words 109. Now the last picture. A box of 100 crayons and 10 crayons, which means it is 100, 110, 0 units. In figures it is 110 and in words it is 110. Three-digit numbers. Introduction. As shown in the table, string the right number of beads on the wires. Write the numbers in figures and in words. Now let us see the first picture. To begin, let us count the hundreds. There are 1 and 2 hundreds. Now let us see the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And how many stray beads? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, which means 4 ones. So, that is why at the hundreds place we have 2 beads, at tens place we have 5 beads, and at units place we have 4 beads. So 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and 4 units. In figure you write it as 254, while in words it is 254. Now let us see the next picture. First we will count the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds. There is 1 tens. And how many stray beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 extra beads, which means 7 ones. So that is why at the wire of 100, we have 6 beads. At tens wire, 1 bead. At units wire, 7 beads. Which means it is 600, 110, and 7 units. So in figures, it is 617, while in words, it is 617. Let us see the next picture. We'll begin the counting with counting of hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, 4 hundreds. How many tens? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens and 1 extra bead. Which means at the wire of hundreds, there are 4 beads. At the wire of tens, 3 beads. And at the wire of units, 1 bead. So, it is 400, 3 tens and 1 unit, which means in figure, it is 431, and in words, it is 431. Now let us see the next picture. Let us count the hundreds first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hundreds. Tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and 1, 2, 2 extra beads, that is 2 ones. So, at the hundreds wire, we will make 7 beads. At the tens wire, 4 beads. At the units wire, 2 beads. Which means it is 7 hundreds, 4 tens and 2 units. So in figure, it is 742 and in words, it is 742. Now let us see the next picture. We have units first. So we will count the extra beads first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which means 8 units. There is no tens. Let us count the hundreds then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hundreds. So at the wire of hundreds, we'll make 8 beads. There will be no bead at the tens wire and 8 beads at the units wire. In figure, it is 808 and in words, it is 808. Now the next picture. First we can see the tens, so we'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens. Now let us count the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hundreds. Now the extra beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 extra beads means 5 units. Now at the wire of hundreds, we'll make 5 beads. At the wire of tens, we'll make 8 beads. At the wire of unit, we'll make 5 beads. In figures, it is 585 and in words, it is 585. Now the next picture. First we will count the extra beads. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 extra beads mean 9 units. Now the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. Now the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hundreds. So at the hundreds wire, we'll make 4 beads. At the tens wire, we'll make 9 beads. And even at the units wire, we will make 9 beads, which means it is 400, 9 tens, 9 units. So in figure, it is 499, and in words, it is 499. Now the next picture, first we'll count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens and 100. There is no units. So, at the hundreds wire, we'll make 1 bead. At the tens wire, 9 beads. And at the units wire, no bead. Which means it is 100, 9 tens and 0 units. So in figure, it is 190. In words, it is 190. Three-digit numbers